Nigeria. Nigeria, you're disgrace. Oh my God. Nigeria, Nigeria, you not see what happened in your country. You don't see what happened in your own country. You don't see how China take another Africa already. Huh? You don't see? Shame all of you. Shame, big shame. All you that living abroad, shame all of you. Maybe now you ask me what you can do, you living abroad. You don't know you can organize yourself. Go and protest in your embassy. Tell them that your government is failed you. You go protest in another in embassy that Nigeria is failed you. You consult press. Shame all of you that living abroad. And shame all you Igbo governments. Especially you P2B, shame why I can't mention your name P2B, because I love you, because I take you like an intelligent man in Igbo politics, but you are disappointed me. Shame P2B, shame you P2B. I take you like someone with a wisdom. You see that are you telling me that Nigeria have a president? P2B, shame all of you, shame you P2B, because I love you the way you don't know how much I love you, but you disappointed me. Shame you P2B. Shame you Ohaneze. You Ohaneze. Shame. Shame all of you. Shame. You are shame of you. You know what is shame? Shame. You tell me you know politicians. Igbo work again. Shame all of you. You know what is politics. Nigeria, is it a good, it's not a mess? Nigeria is a big mess. You all governors in Igbo land. Shame all of you. Shame, big shame. 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 You know what is shame? You already wear shame. How do you travel abroad? You're not ashamed that you come from Nigeria where there's no president. Another person is your president. Shame with all of you. You senators, shame, 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 big shame. You know what is shame? You that, in fact, you a celebrity in Nigeria. Shame all of you. Shame, shame. You a celebrity in Nigeria. Shame. You a footballer. Shame. All these musicians. Shame all of you. Shame. You don't know what is shame. You have the government. You don't see China already take another country. You don't see how the government that looting money. You sit in your own country. You tell me Nigeria is just a country. You live abroad. You don't know how the government is working. Shame. I'm disappointed. Nigeria is a jungle. Shame. Shame all of you. You also do business in Nigeria. Shame all of you, because you see what is happening in Nigeria. Herdsman is killing you. Shame. You cannot even protest your own self. So you know that death is coming to you. You cannot even rise to defend yourself. You are a failure. All of you in Nigeria is a failure. Because every day Nigeria is making me crazy. Because it's not looking like a country. Shame. You that a businessman, you pastors, you bishop, shame. You also a cardinal in Nigeria. Shame all of you. Shame you to say that you're in Nigeria. Shame. Big shame. So you cannot see what's happening in the world. Nigeria is in order. Because every day I'm thinking Nigeria is making me mad. All of you are shame, all of you. You think I'm crazy or what? I'm crazy because of you fucking people. Because you don't know what you do. You live in abroad. You don't know how abroad, where you live. How is it? It's not good. You go back this year, next year you go back. Why are you running from me for your country? Shame. Shame you anybody say that she's Nigeria. Shame all of you. Shame. You as pastor. Shame. You don't know you have a right to organize people, to protest, to save your own life. Till China come and take your Nigeria, you understand, you open your eyes. Shame for you to say that you're Nigeria. How many of you don't get embarrassed when you travel for another country? Shame. You don't know what they do people when you travel, when you say you're in Nigeria. You also preach, you see this thing, you still have control. Nigeria is a mess. In too much terrorists. Your government is, another person is your president. Your president cannot even talk, come and answer questions. You a policeman. Shame. Shame, big shame. You army, shame. All of you, shame. Nigeria is a disappointed Lucifer country. Shame all of you.